Hi, I'm Rishi. I'm a 4 times Microsoft MVP, a chartered accountant, and a Microsoft certified trainer. I work as a consultant focused on helping organizations and individuals achieve self-service with Power BI so that they can make better data-driven decisions. So I'm really excited to introduce to you an interactive e-learning course that combines all of my passions: finance, Power BI, and EdTech. This course is financial reporting with Power BI, and it's available at powerplatformfinance.com. It consists of 15 challenges that cover 20 to 30 hours of e-learning content. This content is made up of short videos, downloadable Word and Excel templates, quiz questions, and practice-to-clicks exercises that will keep you engaged and learning by doing. Throughout these courses, you'll learn these key skills: financial analysis, storytelling with data, operational excellence, governance, and technical skills. Have a go at this interaction on the PPF website to learn more about these skills. Best of all, there is a completely free access to the first 2 modules: the introduction module, which covers the scenario, the data, and the solution, and challenge 1, which is all about requirements gathering. To access this, just click here on the main page to register your interest with a social account, LinkedIn, Google, or Microsoft. The register interest button will then become take free course, and clicking on it will take you to the course content. Once you're here, you'll see the full syllabus, and for the introduction and challenge 1 modules, you can go straight to the content from here. Once you're in a lesson, you click to open it. You have here a short video to introduce the topic of a scoping template, a quiz question where you drag and drop cards, and an audio file, which is an interview with a finance manager talking about her requirements. You use this audio recording to complete the scoping template, and there's a completed example for you to review yours against. Once you've completed those, there's a form for feedback and for you to register your interest in taking the full cohort-based course over an 8-week period. In this full course, you will learn as part of a small group with a combination of self-paced e-learning and weekly review sessions hosted by me. Given the small group sizes, we want to make sure that you're the right fit for the course and that the course is the right fit for you. I look forward to meeting as many of you as possible over the coming weeks and months as we go on this learning journey together. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, and look forward to speaking soon.